Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change an Acura TL headlight bulb. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Don't forget your new HID D2's headlight bulbs and a pair of rubber gloves to protect them. Also, have a floor jack and 2 jack stands ready for safety. Now, let's prepare to access the headlight bulb. Begin by safely lifting the front of your car with a floor jack and securing it firmly on jack stands. Next, remove both front wheels to give yourself ample working space. You will then need to carefully detach the fender liners. Each one is held in place by 3 snap-in connectors that you can gently pry out. With the fender liners removed, you can now access the headlight housing. First, twist and pull off the black protective cover. Then, locate the silver electrical connector, turn it clockwise until it stops, and then pull it off. Next, unsnap the metal clip that secures the bulb. Finally, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing, being mindful not to touch the glass. It's time to install your new bulb. Carefully insert the new HID bulb, making sure its alignment slot faces upward. Secure it with the metal retaining clip, then reattach the silver electrical connector by twisting it counterclockwise. Replace the black protective cover, twisting it to lock. Finally, reinstall the fender liners, mount your front wheels, and carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.